Light and joy and peace abide in me, and I am as God created me. This is always a lovely thing to be hearing, just a reminder. We gotta, hey, ding, 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 guess what? Light and joy and peace abide in you. Especially if it's our first time around, it usually is a little daunting in the sense of thinking that nothing will give you peace. Nothing will make you happy. No situation, no person, nothing that you want will ever give you the peace, the joy that you're looking for. Yeah, that's kind of tough. That's you might be battling with that for some time, thinking that, oh, maybe in this thing, maybe in that thing. You might even start using your sense of inspiration and guidance and saying the Holy Spirit is leading you and guiding you, or even Jesus is leading you and guiding you to this end goal of pure happiness. Now, if you think it's somehow out there, you're misunderstanding again. I mean, it's tricky, it's disorienting to try to understand how I can feel like crap inside, and yet you're telling me peace is inside as well. I feel like crap inside. How can I have peace in here as well? I mean, can you have both at the same time? So it is, be sure to be practicing in the sense of taking some time to meditate and actually trying to go down within. Even as those few lessons do deliberately tell you to go down further in your mind to the state of God. And we want to recognize that regardless of how you think you feel right now, you essentially are, say, light experiencing how you feel now. You are joy experiencing how you feel now. You are peace experiencing how you feel now. You are love experiencing how you feel right now. So when you say, oh, but I'm miserable inside, how could I have joy as well inside? How could I have peace inside? Joy is experiencing misery. Peace is experiencing misery. And so it does take a little bit of a switching because you identify so much with, say, what your person experiences, what your person is feeling. And yet this person is not what or who you are. You are experiencing this person, yes. We can see that, yes, indeed. But what you actually are is not this person, right? So in any way of understanding that, what that is, it doesn't matter to what degree, if that's, say, some other consciousness or greater consciousness, like Christ consciousness or a soul or anything like that, it is all helpful. And it is guiding you to eventually be able to grasp and understand that. Of course, you know that I say it is this Christ consciousness. So in this next one is what that is talking about, that I am as God created me. I am not a body, I am free, for I am still as God created me. And we'll be reviewing a lot of that concept as we go into the future. But in this sense of what my body is and what my personality is, yes, it's a lovely thing. I've done a great job with mine. Yes, but it is still distortion. It is still lies. It is still crap. It like literally is crap. I mean, like, if we can analyze what crap is in the molecular structure of it, we pretty much find the same thing that you and your body is made of. So that's a pretty interesting way of putting it. But you, is that what it is? Is crap and feces and shit abide in me? No, it's light and joy and peace abide in me. Because when we focus on the physical, that's all we see is. So this body must not be what it's talking about, right? This body must not be it. There must be more to me. There must be more inside. And what I call inside must not be reached through dissection, but through the dissection of your own psyche. So it is tricky when you're trying to understand what's changeless. What is changeless about you? And yet everything you see, literally everything that seems to exist in the physical construct, changes always. And you could say one thing is sure, that this too shall pass, right? And that's very helpful, very beautiful. But what is it that's changeless? I know. Until you actually get into the experience and discover what it is about you that has been around in the same way every single day since the dawn of time, or even just your life. Your life's good enough. You can see that there's something in you that has always been changeless. I know it's tricky because at the same time, literally everything else is changing. Everything. I mean, energy is changing. And a lot of people want to say energy and the soul is what you are in the wholeness of what you are. But no, that's just what you are. Say when you say you're a body. Remember the I am spirit verse, or section, whatever it was. You never had a body. You only have a spirit. But what you are is not the spirit. You also just experience the spirit, just like you just experience your body. But what you are is far greater than any of these, and it's not your psyche. It is consciousness, but not your psyche.